People 43 have joined. Good morning, everybody. And let me know how many of you have not registered in MST or this DMS. Let me know. Anyone? Anyone who has not registered? Because I have to check it. Anyone who has not registered uh, on DMS. The total number of students is showing 83, but the list is 91. So who is not in the section 1? C or anyone who is not registered? Anyone? Those who are present in the class today, right now, anyone who has not registered? Okay. So I'm going to share this whiteboard. What I taught in the last class. Adarsh. Adarsh Sharma is there. Adarsh Sharma. Adarsh. Adarsh Sharma. Otherwise, I have to remove from the meeting. You are not responding. Adarsh Sharma. Abhinav Prabhat. Abhinav Prabhat.
Yes,
Aditya
sir.
Sharma. Okay.
Yes.
Uh, what I taught in the last class.
So actually, this is my first class. I've joined on 19th November itself.
Okay, fine. And have you registered on DMS?
Yes, sir, I have registered.
Okay, nice. Aksh Nayak.
Yes, sir.
Aksh
Good
Nayak.
morning.
Yeah, Aksh. What I taught in the last class.
Sir, you taught us the equations reducible to linear form, the
Okay,
Ramanujan
question.
equation.
Not non-linear differential equation. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kadam. Kadam is there. Kadam. Kadam Tripathi. Kadam Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you remember what I taught? Any problem in the last class? Any
No, sir,
question
you
that is
have given the questions, so
uh,
I want to know the answers only.
okay? So let me know the question first, and I have to give the answer. Then okay. The questions are, I think, where is the question? 19. This is the question, I think. I have to
dy
wait.
by dx minus tan y upon 1 plus x y.
Okay, just I'm sharing that question sheet. That question, we have to make it. What is the answer of that question? Because I'm giving so many questions for the practice. Okay. This is the linear part. What is the non-linear part? In another slide or in the same slide? Okay, these are the questions I've given. 9, 10, 12, 12 I've solved. 13, 14, 15, 16. These are the questions. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, come to this
ये
question.
लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस कर लिए थे शायद.
Okay,
We have done this last
ये वाले नहीं है
you
सर.
guys long
fine. This is the question number 13. What is the answer of this question? This is based on linear or non-linear? 0 to pi sin x.
सर ये डिस्कस हो गए थे
ये सब हो
सर
गया।
आपने ये
Okay.
सब हो गए थे लास्ट टाइम
Fine, fine, fine. Okay, this is the non-linear equation, Bernoulli equation. Yes. Number 1 we have solved. Question 2, this the answer is verified. Question number 3, answer is given. Come to question number 4.
Okay, yes.
Right? Question number 4. What is the answer of this question number 4? Question number 4.
सर
I'm writing the answer. Okay, I'm
sin
writing the
y
answer. Okay, I'm writing the answer. You can verify. Right? This is sin y divided by 1 plus x. This is equal to e to power x plus c. Is it correct?
yes
Yes,
sir
Okay.
Yes.
yes sir
dy by dx plus 1 by x tan y equal to 1 by x square into sin square y upon cos square y. Its answer is, this is the good question. Question number 5 is the good question. And this the answer is cos y, cosec y. Cosec y equal to 1 by 2x plus cx. Is it correct?
yes sir
Cosec y equal to 1 by 2x plus
Yes, sir. Yes.
cx. Okay, good.
yes
Question number 6. This is 1 by dy by dx equal to 1 by xy into x square plus y square plus 1. And the answer is, again, this is one of the good question. And the answer is 1 by x square. This is because here we should solve this equation when you now again I'm writing this question. This is a good question, right? Why? Because this equation when you change it into dx by dy, then it become in this form of Bernoulli equation and can be solved, isn't it? So the equation is 1 by x square. Answer is minus of y square plus 1 and then plus c into e to power y square. Is it correct?
सर y
सर
स्क्वायर
e to the power minus y square होगा c into
Minus y square plus 1 plus c into e to power y. I'm getting here the answer in the book. It is e to power y square.
नहीं सर
Okay, okay, of course.
सर e to the power minus y square
Z equal to, okay. Of course, this will go to this side, na? I think, huh? Yeah, you are right. This is the mistake of the book. Fine. Fine, you are right. You are right.
Sir,
I'm making the correction
sir.
here. Yeah.
फिफ्थ वाले का इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर क्या है
Fifth ka integrating factor, question number this 1 by x tan y, na? Okay. So integrating factor, okay. 1 by x. Integrating factor is 1 by x. Is it correct, na?
ओके सर
Fine.
yes sir
Okay,
yes sir
very good. So these are the good questions, and this is all about your non-linear differential equation. Now come to the exact form of differential equation. Fine. So I am giving you some idea about that because you will not find something that is in the book. That's why my notes is different from everybody, right? So come to the okay, this whiteboard is visible, na? Blank one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Exact differential equation, right? Exact. Have you gone earlier about the exact differential equation? Anyone?
yes sir
Okay, exact. What is that? Can you tell me something about that?
sir we write in a simple term on which we differentiating which we will get that thing which we are gonna write like x dx x dy plus y dx is equal to d of xy so like that
Okay,
we do
okay. Fine. Let's see. I'm giving a very brief idea about that. You just write first the differential equation, then I will give its form and then how to find the answer. A differential equation obtained from its primitive means what this is called the general solution. Primitive means general solution, and the probability is called the general solution by direct differentiation, by direct differentiation and without any further any further elimination or reduction is called an exact differential equation. Fine, differential equation. So this is a very simple term. For example, just I'm showing here what is the general equation, what is the primitive, and what is the exact form of equation. Now see, suppose I'm writing here dx dx minus y dy, and this is equal to 0. This is in exact form, form of differential equation, because it is obtained from its primitive, because it is obtained from its primitive or general solution, and that is general primitive is what? Simply x square minus y square equal to a square. Fine, is it okay now? So this is what I call it primitive or general solution. So x square minus y square equal to a square, this is the general solution. And when you differentiate directly this equation, I'm just making it in the box with the red color. So this is the primitive equation, and when you differentiate directly, you will get this solution. So this is in the exact form of this primitive. That's why. Now the general form of differential equation is general form I call it here like if m, this is x comma y dx plus n x comma y dy equal to 0. This is equation 1, where m and n are function of x and y, are function of x and y is said to be in exact form of differential equation. Fine, because it is derived from the direct differentiation of the function f of xy equal to c. So this is what this is called. This is in exact form, and the condition is, or simply we can also write, people are writing m dx plus n dy or m dx plus n dy equal to 0, right? Sometime. So equation one is in exact form if this equation, this is what del m upon del y, this is the equation del n upon del y, So this is the condition. This is called the necessary condition to be the equation 1 to be the exact form, right? So this is an exact form of differential equation. And what is del m upon del y? Sorry, del n upon del x here. This will be a great blunder mistake. Del n upon del x, right? So del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x, and this is what this is the condition, necessary condition to be the equation 1 to be an exact form of differential equation, right? And this del m upon del y and del n upon del x are nothing but they are the partial derivative with respect to y and partial derivative with respect to x, right? So this is the general form, general necessary condition for the differential equation. Now come to the sufficient condition. And what is the sufficient condition means? To get the solution of the equation. So the sufficient condition is sufficient condition. Come to that. Under the sufficient condition, the general solution, the solution of the solution of exact form of differential equation is simply you can write it. There's so many formula in the book somewhere like that. You just write the solution is what? Integration of m dx. I'm using another color here. How to get the solution if if the equation is in exact form equation. I'm writing equation 1 here. So this will be the solution is what? Integration m dx, keeping y as a constant, taking y constant. So I'm taking again, it is a blue color, y constant, right? Then plus integration of n dy, and here not consider x term, no x term considered, no x term considered, otherwise take it 0, and then this will be equal to c, and this is the solution for that somewhere. Or you can also write this equation like m dx plus n del upon del y somewhere. I'm writing also another form, but this is the one of the simplest formula that you can write. Or you can write integration of m dx plus integration of n minus del upon del y integration of m dx, and then dy equal to c. Which formula is correct? Simple. Which formula is simple? M of second or third?
Second.
It's very simple. Second is very simple, right? So you understand what is the exact form. Now come to the problem. Come to the problem side. Okay, what is how to find? So come a very simple question. I'm going to take so that you have to learn for that. Fine. Okay. Simple question that I am to take. Okay. Question number one. Find the value of lambda. The value of lambda for which the differential equation this x y square plus lambda x cube y square bracket, and this will be, this is x y square plus lambda x cube y square dx, and then plus x cube y plus yx into x dy equal to 0 is in exact form, and hence solve. Now see, there are two questions. So we have to solve this question. Fine. Now see, it make you more confusing. Suppose that if you take this, y is not common, okay, because when you take it, lambda is there, we have to find the lambda first thing. If lambda is not given, then it makes you more confusing that whether we can solve it by homogeneous equation. First we have to check it whether it is homogeneous or not there, then you take it linear, non-linear, so many things. But when you compare it into the exact form, that can be we can check it also. So exact form is another substitution method that we can substitute method, alternative method that you can solve it this kind of the equation. So generally when this kind of the equation is there and if it is not homogeneous, so let's try the try for no, exact form. So first I have to take it. What is the, when you compare it into the m dx plus n dy, compare with m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So what is the m? Anyone who have obtained the lambda value? Maybe somebody has already obtained. Let's check it. Anyone? Yeah, Vrinda Kohli, what is the value of lambda? 2. The value of lambda is 2. Okay, you don't. Okay, great. So I'm trying to solve for everybody so that you can go for that. So this, when you compare it, so m is what? This is x y square plus lambda x cube y square. So everybody, you must see, very important. This is very, very important, right? And n is, because so many questions will solve in the next, when you go to the next topic or for the non that one. So it makes it very easy to solve. N is, when you multiply it x with this one, so it will be x to power 4y and then plus x square y. Now for the testing of the this it must be del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x, right? So you have to find the del m upon del y. This is the partial derivative with respect to y, means keeping x as a constant. So the equation will be 2xy and then plus 2x cube, sorry, 2 lambda x cube y, correct now? And del n upon del x, we have to find the del n upon del x, del n upon del x. So partial derivative, taking the derivative with respect to x, keeping y as a constant, this will be 4x cube y and then plus 2xy, correct? Now check if it is in the question, it is saying that this the given equation, since the given differential equation is in exact form, so del m upon del y must be equal to del n upon del x. This must be equal to that one. So the whatever we have obtained, this partial derivative, we make it equitable. So del m upon del y, this will be 2xy plus 2 lambda x cube y, and this is equal to 4x cube y plus 2xy. Fine, we make it equal to xy cancel, then x cube and x cube cancel, y and y will cancel. After that, so let it. So this implies that this is a 2 lambda x cube y equal to 4x cube y. So this will be cancelled, and then this implies that 2 lambda equal to 4. So this implies that lambda equal to 4 by 2. This is equal to 2. This is the answer. This is the value of the lambda, right? Make it sense?
Yes,
Anyone? There is any confusion? Anybody has?
Can you repeat once more?
Okay, fine. Okay, Vishwajit. Now see the question. We have to find the value of lambda for which the differential equation this is in exact form. It is given that it is in exact form. We are not going for testing whether it is exact or not. It is given that it is in exact form. That's why we have to find the lambda, right? And then solve also. That means solve means what? We put the value of lambda and then we can solve by the exact method. So comparing this equation, this equation, given equation, I have compared with m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So in place of m, dx is there. So dx is there. So this term will be m. This term will be m. And expect n dy means dy is there. The remaining term will be n, right? So I'm taking m. This is equal to x y square plus lambda x cube y square. And n is what? This is x cube y plus y x x. So when you multiply it, this is x to power 4y plus x square y. And for we know that it is an exact form, that means we have to check it, this one, for that it should be, must be equal. So for that we have to find del m upon del y. We are differentiating partially with respect to y. So when you differentiate with respect to y, you will get this term. And when you differentiate with respect to x partially of this n term, you will get this 4x cube y plus 2xy. Now I have written here that the given equation, it is given that this equation is in exact form, so it should must satisfy this condition del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Okay. So I just putting the value. When you find it, you will get the lambda value. Now the equation is, now the differential equation is, now we can put the value of lambda there. Fine. So this will be equal to your equation will be, I'm using here xy square plus 2x cube y square, and then this is dx, and then plus x cube y plus y x, and then x dy equal to 0. Now remember, I'm going to solve this equation. I have put this value of lambda. This is 2 simply. Nothing I have done here. So xy square plus 2 x cube y square dx plus x cube y plus yx into x dy. Okay. So when you put this value of lambda equal to 2, again it is in exact form. Fine. So this we can also write like mdx form. We can write it this x or xy square plus 2x cube y square into dx, and then plus x cube y, sorry, x to power 4, x to power 4 y plus x square y, and then this is dy equal to 0, right? Now this is what this is, again this is the m and this is n. So now the general solution is, or sufficient condition is, the general solution of equation 2, we call it solution of equation 2 is what? The formula is integration of m dx y constant and plus n dy that I have written there. The formula is n dy and equal to c, where no x term. Now see, this is very important for everybody. Try to look there. I'm taking this integration m is this x y square plus 2x cube y square and then dx. Fine. And writing here y constant, then plus integration. N should be the term which has no x. So is there any term which is free from x?
No, sir.
This term there is a x.
No.
We cannot take it. Here this term there is a x, so we cannot take this. So this whole term by term, when you see it at the place of n. Now suppose it is written 2 plus 2 also, we take it 2 here, right? Try to listen, try to understand here. If I am writing here plus 2, so the 2 can be written here as a constant. Here we can take 2. If it is a plus y, suppose plus y or plus y square, plus y is there, then we can write here y square, because no x term. So in this way we can solve. So this is the 0 dy and this is equal to c. Fine. Okay. So We can take the integration, keeping y constant. The answer is what? We have to integrate x only with respect to dx. So this will be equal to x square upon 2 and then y square, then plus 2 into x to power 4 upon 4 y square. This 2 to cancel, and this will be equal to c, or we can write 1 by 2 x square y square plus x to power 4 y square equal to c. So this is one of the answer. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has a doubt? Anyone, just raise your hand. Okay, Arnav.
Sir, like when in the n term, if there is y upon x, so we'll still take the y.
Yeah, y upon x means where?
No, sir, like for example, if there is a y term with an x term in the division, like in the n term.
Yes, we can take. We can take y upon x. You are saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is a term of x, na?
Yes,
it is
sir.
a term of x. We cannot take. We cannot take.
Okay, sir.
Correct. Good question. Now come to the question 2, and you solve it. Solve 5x to power 4 plus 3x square y square minus 2xy cube dx plus 2x cube y minus what is the question? Is this correct question or not? I don't know. This we have to check this question. Maybe some correction. Y 3y minus 3x square y square minus 5 y to power 4 dy equal to 0. Oh, 1 minute. 2x cube y minus 3x square y square minus 5y to power 4. Okay, this will not be the term. So I'm writing, okay, wait. Because there's some mistake in the question actually. Minus n is what? Minus 3 x square y square minus 5y to power 4 dy equal to 0. Okay, solve this question. Yeah, Virinda Kohli, you have raised your hand.
Sorry, sir, that's accidental.
Okay. So everybody is in the class. Now let me know anyone who has not registered in the DMS. Please let me know. Anyone? Even the newcomer student who has not appeared in, who has not registered in DMS, because unless and until you register in the DMS, you will not register in DMS, your attendance will not be considered or counted there. I have not, I will not be able to mark your attendance there in DMS because your name will not be there if you will not register in DMS. Yeah, Kadam, Jalaj, Bhavya, Shubham, Neha, and Kadam. Neonika. Okay, Lakshya, Jain. Fine. So, Kadam, what is the answer, please? Is it exact form?
Yes, sir.
Exact, na? So, what is the answer?
X to the power 5 plus
X
x
to power-
cube y square
X cube y square.
minus x square y cube minus y to the power 5 is equals to c.
Correct. So, everyone
Yes,
got
sir.
the answer, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very fine.
Yes, sir.
Very fine.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Y square e to power x y square. We are coming to the typical position. Y square e to power x y square plus 4 x cube and then dx plus 2xy e to power xy square minus 3y square dy and to 0. This is the one question. Solve. Then the third question I will give you. Before that, I'm going to ask the 5%. Okay. We take first here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in that third question, it is 2 or z? It's not clear.
There is no z there. Only x and y.
No, sir. In the end term, is it 2xy or zxy?
This is 2. This is 2.
Okay,
Why?
sir.
Possible. Okay, today I will you listen the name of the students. Today I will have to after the class I will make a conversation with these guys. I will interact with this. Ishita Sanju Bennett is there in the class.
Yes, sir.
Jalas Singh, Jayant
Yes,
Kumar,
sir.
Jayant Kumar, Kadam Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kathan Jhaveri. Kathan Jhaveri, right? So 5 people, you should be ready. Kathan Jhaveri is there? No. Kolambakar?
Yes, sir.
Kolambakar, so you should be also present. Kshitij Arora? Kshitij Arora? Kshitij Arora. Fine. Lakshya Jain? Lakshya Jain?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you should also be present after the class.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Mahek Singhal?
Yes, sir.
You should also be present after the class. Fine?
Sir.
Okay. Okay, what is the answer of this question? It is an exact form or not? Okay, how many answers? Okay, so many answers. Kadam, Mohit. Okay, Mohit, tell me the answer, please. Mohit? Mohit, if you are not responding, why you have raised your hand? Or respond me, please. Mohit.
Sir, y square into.
Who is speaking? Mohit. Mohit, आपने वो कर लिया DMS पे कर लिया रजिस्ट्रेशन?
कर लिया था सर.
Okay, आपका नाम क्यों नहीं आ रहा फिर? Okay, देखता हूँ फिर. Okay, tell me, Mohit, please tell me the answer.
Y square into e की power x. Y square into y square plus
Y square into?
Sir, e की power x into y square.
Okay. E to power x into y square.
No, sir, y square into e की power x into y square.
Y square into e to power
X into y square.
Okay.
Plus x is x to power 4.
X to power 4
minus y cube is equal to c.
Equal to c. ये आंसर करेक्ट है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so actually this is your answer is C, na? Yes.
पूरा मल्टीप्लाई में नहीं है y square
ब्रैकेट
into
नहीं
e.
हो.
Sir, the brackets are not.
The bracket
ब्रैकेट्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई में.
Actually, the answer I have the question is answer is given in the book. This answer is simply without this one. means e to power x y square, then plus x to power 4 minus y cube equal to c. Only this answer is there.
Wrong.
Yes, sir, that is the answer.
Sir, y square also.
Answer which is given in the
Sir,
book
that's
is
the
correct.
y
Y
square
square
term also.
नहीं होगा.
Y square
Square
नहीं होगा sir वहाँ पे.
ये e to power x y square नहीं होगा.
यही होगा.
आपका वाला आंसर
सर
सही
ये
है.
सही है, सही है सर.
Into y square होता है.
ये y square नहीं होगा ना.
यस सर, ये नहीं
Yes,
होगा.
sir.
यस सर
Yes,
वो
sir.
नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ चेक करिए. मोहित प्लीज चेक करिए आप. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम देयर? मोहित
Okay, sir.
check please. If it is not clear, then I will solve this question. Or should I start?
Y square.
Should I start the solution?
हाँ sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is m?
Sir.
M is y square e to power x y square plus 4x cube, correct? And your n is 2xy e to power x y square minus 3y square, right? Now come to del m upon del y. What is the solution of this? You have to take it into the this addition rule you can apply. So y square, when you differentiate this equation, this will be equal to what? E to power x y square into 2y, correct na? Into 2xy into 2xy into 2x and y, then plus 2y e to power x y square. Make it sense?
Yes,
so when you
sir.
solve this
Yes, sir.
equation, this will be equal to 2xy cube e to power xy square, then plus 2y e to power xy square. Similarly, when you differentiate this del n upon del x, you can apply this again this rule. You take it 2y as a common here, 2y. Now differentiate this x into this one. So x into e to power xy square and then into y square. Fine. Then plus e to power xy square and then minus this is equal to 0. This is 0. This is 0. So when you differentiate 2xy cube e to power xy square plus 2, this will be y also, no? This is okay 2y e to power xy square. Fine. So this is correct now. This is equal del m upon del n, since del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x. So the equation, this equation 1, so equation 1 is in exact form. So equation 1 is in exact form. Now what is the solution? The required solution is this integration of m dx. So I am taking the m. Your m is, this is y square e to power x y square plus 4x cube and then dx dy. Ne? This is y means what? Dx, y constant, then plus integration. Any term which is free from x? Yes.
Minus 3y
Sir,
square.
minus
3y square. So this
Minus,
is the
minus 3y square.
3 square dy equal to c. So we have to solve it, taking y as a constant here. So integration, this is y square into e to power y square x y, taking y as a constant, y square, then divide by y square because y square is constant. Fine. And then plus 4x to power 4 upon 4 and then minus 3 y cube upon 3. This y square is going to cancel. So your answer is Your answer is, this implies that e to power x y square 4 cancel plus x to power 4 minus 3 cancel y cube equal to c. This is the answer. Is it correct? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ayush, any doubt? Ayush?
No, sir.
So I'm giving you some more questions to solve for your practice, and then tomorrow we'll go for the other questions. Fine? Is it okay now?
Yes,
So
sir.
write the question for the practice. This is question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. X dx plus y dy equal to a square x. Good question. Dy minus y dx. This is the question from question bank. Upon x square plus y square. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, this is okay. Cos x log base e 2y minus 8 plus 1 by x dx, and then plus sine x upon y minus 4 dy equal to 0. Okay, some more question. Question number 6. 1 plus 3 e to power x upon y dx plus 3 e to power x upon y 1 minus x upon y dy equal to 0. Enough? More question will give you the next class. Okay, one more question. Question number 7. This is okay. Y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y dx cos y dx plus x log x minus x sin y dy equal to 0. X plus log x minus x sin y dy equal to 0. Correct. So these are the 4 questions that you have to solve.
No, 5 क्या है? Cos x log e to the power 2a minus 8.
2y minus 8.
Sorry. हाँ, हो गया.
Sir, can you slide it down?
Yeah, 100%. Write it. So I hope it is clear. Anyone has doubt? Please let me know. Anyone has a doubt regarding the exactness, how to check it, and how to get the solution that is the sufficient condition. So taking the checking this whether it is exact or not, it is what is current, that is the necessary condition for the exact form of differential equation, and getting the solution, that is a sufficient condition. Should I stop now? Okay, so please leave the class, and
Yes,
and I called the name of the people that I have already called. You have to wait in the room, and the other people have to leave the class, please.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Okay. Ishita, Jala, Jain, Kadam, Kothari, Kulambika, Shiti, Zarora, Lakshya, and Mahak. Saksham Rawat, why is he in the class? Okay, fine. Is it possible to on your camera? So I have to recognize my student